In this video, we are going to walk through how to construct a basic income statement in financial accounting. The purpose of the income statement is to show results of operations. It answers the question, how did we do? The income statement covers a period of time. For example, you can have an income statement for the year, the quarter, or the month. The basic equation for an income statement is revenues minus expenses. The income statement starts with the headings or titles. The first line is always the official full name of the company. The next line is the phrase income statement or statement of operations. Both of these phrases refer to the same financial statement. The third line will always be the period line. It will be for the year ending December 31st, whatever year, or it could be for the quarter ending March 31st, whatever year. But that date line will always be for a period of time that is specified, not for one date. We are going to go through an example of a basic income statement. Here we have the headings for the Blue Turtle Company's income statement. The income statement starts with the three lines to which we previously referred. The first line in the income statement after the headings is revenue. Here we have a heading revenue, and then service revenue is listed. Another company may have sales revenue or sales or something similar. Next, expenses are listed. Here I listed the expenses in another column so that the individual expenses would not be in the column containing revenue. The expenses are totaled, and that total expenses number is listed in the column below the service revenue total. We take the service revenue and subtract total expenses to get net income. That's it. The income statement does have some variations from company to company, but the basic overall format is revenues less expenses to arrive at net income. By the way, a single underline means that you should add or subtract the numbers above the single underline back to the prior single underline, if any. A double underline means that this number above the double underline is a final total. We are now done with this one. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz and is part of the Accounting Skill Builder video series. See accountingisanalytics.com for additional faculty and student resources.